Hey world, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Deja May, and if you're new, say hey because hey. And in today's video, we are doing a wig install read. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And after you subscribe, make sure you hit the bell notification so you guys know every time we upload a video. And we upload every 2 days at 4:45 p.m. Hey world, it's me, Deja May. Welcome back. And as y'all seen in the title, today we are doing a wig install. And we're going to go ahead and get right into it. We applying our glue, 4 layers. If you know, you know. But today we're doing a story time. And in my story time today, we are talking about how long it takes for me to do hair, because I just be wanting to know, like, am I the only stylist? Like, and if I am, I don't care, but still, like, when I tell y'all it takes me a maximum of 4 hours to do a wig install, I literally mean that. Like, and at times I be getting like very discouraged, like to where I start getting nervous, or I be like sad because I can see like the look on my clients' faces, and they be like, "Nah, bitch, I'm ready to get out of here." But when I tell y'all I do not skip not no process when I doing hair, I mean I do not skip a process. I do not try to move fast, because I feel like when you rush, what do I want to call it? When you rush, you're like guaranteed to mess up. So I like take my time. Now, if I'm not braiding here, I'm gonna say 2 hours and 45 minutes. But yeah, if you're a stylist and you some part of this video, let me know. Comment down below how long it takes for y'all to do hair, like, cause I'd be dead sad about this shit. But yeah, I think that's really it for
Streams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day. That's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go. Make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up. No, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
Tell me that she not coming out herself already. It is, but yeah. So right now we gonna go ahead and we are cutting the lace off of the lace, and this is what I feel like set me apart from any other stylist. Not trying to sound cocky or feel like I'm better than any other stylist, because I'm not, because we have some nice stylists that can do hair, period. But this is what sets me apart from other stylists. This right here, I make sure that I cut the lace off, and once I cut the lace off, I will tug around the hairline to make sure that there is no extra lace that is still on the hair. Like, everything is going to be glued down, you know what I mean? Yeah. So I feel like that's one thing that set me apart from other stylists. I'm going to make sure that your hair is done right. I'm not going to play in your head, and I'm going to play with your time, but I'm not going to play in your head. That's one thing for sure. So, and even my clients, they'll be like my close clients that's been coming to me for a long time, like, I will ask them, like, and they'll be like, "No, Deja, the only reason you take that long is because you're literally taking your time and you're not missing a step, a beat." And I'll be like, "Okay," like, I start to feel a little bit better. But yeah, right now what y'all see me doing is basically any pieces that is not tagged down, I'm lifting them up, and I'm going to put 3 layers of glue, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to press it down into the glue with some warm heat, and that's just what I do.
You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back, cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change, slowly take a step today.
I'm about to go ahead and pull out these good old baby hairs, and y'all, I am new to this. I do not know nothing about angles or anything, so please don't come for me and don't try to watch my whole video, because I swear I'm going to get it. I'm going to get it slowly but surely, but yeah, we're on the baby hair part, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to pull those out, and I'm going to give y'all another story about a time when I took too long on a client's hair. So I took too long on her hair, and she basically was upset about it and felt like that she should deduct some money off of what she was supposed to give me because I took too long. And I just felt like, baby, that's not right. Like, you're paying for my time, guaranteed. Like, what do you mean? But, okay. So, for those that don't know me, I am a Youngstown hairstylist, and my wig installs are $175 plus a $25 deposit. And the $25 deposit is not included with your $175 install fee. I just feel like that it should be separate, because if you paying $25 and you know you're not gonna see that $25 again, you're guaranteed to come to your appointment. Like, this is my job. I do this 24 hours a day. I'm not leaving and going to clock in or somebody clock. No, my clock in time is during your hair. Like, so we basically was going back and forth. Like, I'm like, nah, you gonna pay me for my service or wig coming off, baby, period. Is what are you talking about? But long story short, she ended up giving me my money back. My money back. She ended up giving me the full amount of what she owed me, because that don't even sound right. If anything, I'm gonna want to give you more money. You know what I mean? But everybody different.
I won't stop till I wear the crown.
But yes, and like I said about the $25 deposit being not included with the $175 install fee, when I tell y'all I be going at it with everybody, not everybody, a select few of people about that concept, and then I got another select few clients that, you know, they gonna pay their dollar, they don't complain about it. But even that little concept right there, it be discouraging too. Like, it was to the point to where around this time a year, like right now, I'm like, okay, I'm not gonna do the what is it called? Oh, I'm not gonna do the $25 deposit. I'm just gonna do the initial install fee. So, you know, people was wanted their hair done or whatever. So I'm like, okay, yeah, blase, blase, give me your number. I'll send you confirmation. So we do that, and y'all, they end up not showing up to their appointment. So if I got two wig installs, brand new wig installs, that's $175, and y'all didn't show up, that's money I'm missing out on that it could have went to somebody else. Like, and I think sometimes people fail to realize that. That's another thing I be discouraged about with doing hair. Like, some people don't know the ins and outs. Like, one week, I swear, you can make so much money, and the next 2 weeks, you're not making nothing. Like, I'm not going to say nothing, but you're not making as much as you made last week. So it's definitely like a up and down course, I would say. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'm not going to talk no more throughout the video, so make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And after you guys subscribe, make sure you hit the bell notification so you guys will know every time we upload a video.
Anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it, eh?